So if you've been watching the Southwest RV channel at all, you know we ride and we review and we test and enjoy off-road vehicles. Well, this is an on-road vehicle. I suppose it could be an off-road vehicle. And I just picked it up for $600. That's right, 600 bucks. It is a 1997 P71 Police Interceptor Crown Victoria with the 4.6 V8 in it. And I've test driven it. It runs great, runs fantastic, shifts nice, and the air conditioning blows cold, the windows roll up and down, the doors lock and unlock with the buttons. And you know what they say, you know, old man selling a nice car or belong to an elderly couple or whatever. Well, in this case it's true. The car did belong to an elderly couple. I just paid for it about 5 minutes ago. So it's mine. I'm going to take it home and decide what to do with it. There's a lot of options. But I've wanted one of these cars for probably 15 years. For some reason, I like them. I like that they're rear-wheel drive. I like that they have a V8. I like that they're proven. They're comfy. For some reason, I just think they're cool. So let me start it up for you. Oh yeah, it's going to need to be cleaned. Okay, here we go. Let's fire it up. Listen to that thing purr. It runs perfect. Like I said, the air conditioning blows cold. Wonder how that would sound with dual exhaust on it. Well, it already has dual exhaust, but let's say a free-flowing dual exhaust. Maybe tips coming out in front of the back tires. Perhaps some tinted windows, a new rear view mirror, new hubcap. Yep, I'm excited about the possibilities. We'll see what we decide to do with it. For the meantime, I am the owner of a 1997 P71.